We're working on a 98 Jeep TJ Wrangler. It's gonna be the same thing. No start situation, ignition switch. As you can see, I got it torn apart. I'm gonna show you how I did that. First thing I started with was the cover around the bottom of the steering wheel. So your lights just go right through this rubber piece. You got two screws there and there. Take that off and it unclips. You just pull it right off. Don't break your little tabs on the bottom. Boom, you got that off. Just gives you more room. This is the bottom case to the steering wheel. You got 3 Phillips head screwdrivers in there. There, and there. Pop that off. We can leave the top cover on loosely. And here's our ignition switch here. This black box. We've got our new one right here. And we got one bolt right here. That's gonna be a Torx, but it's got, peel back this flap and there it is. So it's got a peg in the middle. So you're gonna need a Torx bit with a hole in it. One of these guys. You can fit this little guy in there. I've already loosened it. All right, so I'm gonna get this bolt off right here and unclip the wiring harness. We're gonna pop this red safety clip out and then squeeze down on that tab to get it out. This one we're gonna pull up on this tab and press the wiring harness back. All right, now that we got wiring harness off and our bolt out, if you look straight in here, that little white piece right there in between the black and black, that's a little tab. We're gonna take a small screwdriver and just press in on it while we pull out on the ignition switch. All right, ignition switch just popped off real easy. You can see that white plastic right there. That's what clips the new ignition switch in. So when you're putting your new ignition switch in, you see how it only fits in one way? You got to make sure you turn the right way. All right, for this one, it was ignition all the way off for it to fit in properly. So you could just take the key in and out. It's not turned at all. So ignition all the way off. That's how it fit in there. Now we're gonna tighten that bolt back up right there, just the one bolt. Pop our 2 wiring harnesses back in, big and little. And yeah, put our cover back on. Put that cover back on and we should be good to go.